Hey fam, peace and love. Welcome back to day 7, guys. Welcome to day 7 of the gratitude challenge. Can you imagine? We are almost done with this challenge. Remember, this challenge is only 11 days. It should be amazing. How are you feeling? Hope you're feeling better. Hope you are definitely more hopeful about all the abundance that you are receiving, you have already and are continuing to receive. I definitely know that you are feeling really good right now. And today we are doing the walk of love. We are taking a walk of love. And just like it sounds, it's definitely a walk of love. We are taking steps. We are taking wonderful steps today, intentional steps. We are being truly and really intentional about the steps that we are taking today, pouring love into each and every step and saying thank you to Allah at least 111 times by taking the walk should be about 2 minutes, guys. Only 2 minutes out of the hundreds of thousands of minutes that you have in your day to day. Just take out 2. 1, 2. You may ask, am I being specific about the number? Why 111? Well, I'm really just trying to keep with the theme of 11, the theme of the ones and ones and ones. And this 111, these 3 ones, make me feel like I'm tapping into the number of creation. It is the magical number of creation, right? 1 and 1, basically a man and a woman create a third human, right? So 3 is that number for me. So I thought 111 would really be great. And it's just a 2-minute walk, guys. So there is really no other reasoning behind it. So today you're going to pour love into each footstep. Feel gratitude for being alive, for the ability to take these steps, for the magic that is you, because you truly are magic. This is extremely powerful as you're taking out only 2 minutes. 2 minutes, guys. You have over 1,400 minutes today just to say thank you as you pour love into each and every step. Guys, this walk of love is truly intentional. It's not any different from you meditating, right? It's like a calm, quiet walk of love, like the way it sounds. So I recommend that you do this first thing in the morning. Just take these steps in that moment and feel true gratitude with each and every step that you take, right? Say thank you on every step. And guys, you don't need to count, because you're going to focus on the counting instead of getting into the feeling of true gratitude. So instead of counting steps, just time. Do this for a minimum of 2 minutes, and it can be more. 2 minutes is just the minimum. We are taking this walk in being intentional, guys. We are being intentional about our gratitude today. And as you take this step, just say thank you with every step. Thank you in your heart. Find a lot to be thankful for. Thank you in your heart for the ability to take this step. Thank you for the food that you give me on a daily, Allah. Thank you for the gift of life. Thank you for my spouse. Thank you for my children. Thank you that I have a roof over my head. Thank you for all the money that I have. Thank you for all the abundance that I have. Thank you for my health. Thank you for my legs that are able to take me on this walk. Thank you for my mind. Thank you for the knowledge that I continue to receive every day. Thank you for the people that you put in my path and in my life every day that are getting me to where I want to be, that are getting me to my goals, to my dreams. Thank you, Allah. Thank you. Thank you, Allah. Thank you. Just, there's a lot to be thankful for. Say thank you. So in the morning, it could be as you prepare to go to work. It could be on your morning walk. It could be as you walk to your car. Whatever it is that you are doing today, be intentional about taking out some time to say thank you to your Creator for at least 2 minutes as you take the walk of love. Put love and gratitude in every step. And the key to knowing that this has worked, the key to knowing that you are actually getting the magic out of this, is to watch how you feel before you start versus how you feel when you're done with the walk. It should be different. You should feel calm, you should feel happy, you should feel ready to take on the day. Like, you should feel different. It's like I said, it's like a meditation practice. How you start versus how you end, and how you feel when you end, is the key to knowing if this is working. So guys, for today, remember, we're not focusing on counting, we're focusing on the feeling of gratitude and loving every step for at least 2 minutes. So be intentional about this. Be truly intentional. Can you take more than one walk in a day? Yes, of course. Of course, you definitely can. There is no limit to how many times you can be grateful to Allah for all the magic and all the beauty that you have in your life. There's definitely no limit to that. What I suggest here is the bare minimum. It's just the minimum. And we want to get to a point where gratitude comes as second nature to you. Gratitude is a part of you, because that is an amazing way to live. This practice is getting you to that high level of vibration. It's getting you to that person that you want to be. It's getting you to that person that you are currently just dreaming about. Dreaming about becoming, dreaming about getting to, dreaming about creating. The practice of gratitude is what's going to get you there. So you want to do all these practices with true intention, with true focus, because this is how you are going to be consistent. When you start seeing the results that come with it, it will be much easier to put this into your daily routine. So all the practices that we are doing are very important for you to incorporate into your daily routine. And are they easy? Of course they are. They're very easy to do. But remember, they're also very easy not to do, as most of the important practices that we are always taught to do. Easy to do, easy not to do. Will the impact be immediate? Maybe not. But the more we do these practices, the more we focus on these things, the more we put feelings behind them, and trust the process and be truly intentional and be truly focused, the more we are going to see the beauty that they bring. The more we are going to see the joy that they bring in our life. So remember, today we are focusing on the feeling of gratitude and love in each and every step that we are taking for at least 2 minutes. Do you want to take 5 walks today? Yes, if you can, by all means. go ahead. Just be sure that the 2 minutes is the minimum. So for today, we are pouring love into 11 blessings by writing out 11 things that you are grateful for and saying thank you and feeling true gratitude for each and every blessing that you have in your life. Then remember to take at least 111 love footsteps for at least 2 minutes. At least 2 minutes. It could be more. And remember to pour love into each footstep. Say thank you and feel really grateful for your life and all that you have. And remember, before you go to bed tonight, with your palm over your heart, think about the best thing that happened today and feel grateful for it. Say thank you for the best thing that happened today. Right? And then tomorrow we are pouring love into our heart. So tomorrow is a heart love practice. I will see you here tomorrow, guys. We're almost done. 3 days to go. Peace and love from Miseria. Bye-bye.